1 cup of English.
Real English for real life.
Wait until you hear this. My trip almost didn't happen because my carry-on bag was too heavy.
Too heavy? That sounds stressful. Who's telling the story today, by the way?
It's me, your jet-lagged friend. And today, I'll share how a simple airport rule nearly cost me my flight, plus some tricks for handling these surprises.
I'm all ears. So we'll hear about your airport shock, how you solved it, and maybe a few tips on avoiding extra fees.
Exactly. We'll talk about what happened at check-in, how I dealt with the staff, and what travelers should double-check before flying. Ready?
So tell me what happened when you got to the airport. I thought you always travel light.
I thought so too. But at the check-in counter, the airline worker asked to weigh my carry-on. Suddenly, she says, "Sorry, your bag is over the limit."
Oh no, I bet you felt so nervous. Did you know the weight rules before you packed?
Honestly, I guessed. I didn't check the airline's website. Turns out their limit was 7 kilos, and my bag was almost 9.
So what did the staff say when your bag was too heavy? Did they let it pass?
Not at all. She pointed right at the sign. Excess baggage fee, $60. My heart dropped. She told me I had to pay or leave things behind.
$60 just for a bit more weight? That's a lot. Did you try to argue or explain?
I tried to smile and asked if there was another way. She said, "If you can move some things to your checked bag or wear them, you won't pay."
That's smart. Did you start putting on layers right there at the counter?
Exactly. I opened my bag and put on my sweater and jacket. I even put my book in my back pocket.
I've seen people do that. Did it work? Did you get under the weight limit?
Yes. Finally, my bag was just under. The staff smiled and said, "Now you're good to go." I felt so relieved.
I can imagine how you felt first stressed, then really happy. Was the rest of check-in okay?
After that, everything was easy. I got my boarding pass, went through security, and even had time for coffee before my flight.
That's a good ending, but I bet next time you'll check the bag rules first.
For sure. Now, I always check the baggage allowance and weigh my carry-on at home.
So, what are the big lessons from your airport adventure? Let's share some travel tips.
First, always check the baggage rules. Before you pack, every airline is different. Second, pack light and weigh your bag at home if you can.
And third, if your bag is too heavy, try wearing some clothes or moving items instead of paying extra fees.
Exactly. Next time you travel, check your bag's weight before you leave and save money and maybe some stress.
Great advice. Thanks for sharing your story. Safe travels, everyone.